Why nighttime digital detox matters.
Using screens before bed can disrupt your body's natural sleep cycle. Blue light from phones, tablets, and TVs interferes with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep and get restful rest. A digital detox at night helps your brain relax, signaling it's time to wind down for quality sleep and better overall well-being.
Set a consistent screen-free time.
Start your digital detox by choosing a set time to put away devices each night, ideally 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Sticking to this routine helps your body form a reliable sleep habit. Communicate your plan with friends or family so they know not to expect replies, reducing pressure to check your phone.
Replace screens with calming activities.
Instead of scrolling or streaming, swap screens for relaxing alternatives. Try reading a print book, journaling, or practicing gentle stretches. Listening to soft music, meditating, or deep breathing exercises are also great options. These activities calm your mind and prepare your body for restful sleep.
Create a sleep-friendly bedroom environment.
Keep devices out of the bedroom or use features like Do Not Disturb. Dim the lights and keep your bedroom cool and quiet. Consider blackout curtains or a sleep mask to block light. A clean, peaceful space free of digital distractions encourages deep, uninterrupted sleep.
Gradually adjust your routine for success.
Don't worry if it's hard to unplug at first. Take small steps. Begin by reducing screen time 10 to 15 minutes earlier each night until you reach your goal. If habits slip, refocus without self-judgment. Consistency is key, and over time, you'll start to notice better sleep and a refreshed mind.